Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily install and use screen dimmer on your Samsung Galaxy A36. So first, what you guys need to do is head over to Play Store and now go to search. In here, you need to search for Screen Dimmer OLED Saver and now download the first app that is here. Now click on install and wait for it to download and install on your device. Now, after installing, click on open. And here you can easily use it after you grant all the permissions. So first, click on grant permission here. Click on allow permission. Now go to the next one. And here what you need to do is go to installed apps and now go to screen dimmer. In here enable it and now click on allow. Here what you guys need to do next is go back and now grant permissions for notifications. Here click on allow and now press checkmark. Now what you guys can do is change the notification settings right here. You can change the brightness settings as you guys can see. Here we can change the extra dim to brighter or dimmer. You can also enable the AOD, which is the always on display mode. And you can use OLED Saver preset. Now here what you can do is pixel filter. You can enable it. And now you can change the intensity and change interval. Now how to use the screen dimmer. You need to enable it right here. And now it's much darker. It's not darker on the camera at all, but when I look at it, it's pretty dark and I almost cannot see anything. So, in my opinion, it works. Also, what you can do is you have the warning right here about the battery optimization. Now click on open settings. And here what you need to do is scroll down, click on battery, and here give it the unrestricted mode. Now after you go back to app, it disappeared, and that would be it. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.